Warm welcome, everyone. Let me begin with a powerful thought by Frederick Douglass. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. This quote underscores the importance of safeguarding our children's present to secure a brighter future. Today I'll be presenting on the protection of children from sexual offences POCSO Act 2012, a landmark legislation that addresses the critical issue of child sexual abuse in India. The Act was enacted in 2012 under Article 15(3) of the Constitution, which empowers the state to make special provisions for children. It aligns with India's commitment to the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, ensuring that child safety remains a national and global priority. As Nelson Mandela once said, there can be no keener revelation of a society's soul than the way in which it treats its children. Purpose of the Act. The POCSO Act serves two primary purposes. 1. To combat and prevent the sexual abuse of children systematically. 2. To ensure justice, dignity, and mental well-being for victims. This law reflects our collective responsibility to provide a safe, nurturing environment for every child to grow and thrive. As Mahatma Gandhi aptly stated, if we are to reach real peace in this world, we shall have to begin with the children. Unique features. The POCSO Act stands out for its unique features. It is a gender-neutral law protecting all children under the age of 18. It prioritizes the best interests of the child, focusing on their physical and emotional well-being. It categorizes offenses based on their severity, ensuring proportional and effective justice. Key provisions and important sections. Now, let's explore the types of offenses under the Act. 1. Penetrative sexual assault sections 3-4, punishable by a minimum of 10 years to life imprisonment. 2. Aggravated penetrative sexual assault sections 5-6, punishments range from 20 years to the death penalty. 3. Sexual assault section 7-8, non-penetrative offenses are punishable by 3 to 5 years of imprisonment. 4. Sexual harassment sections 11-12, includes verbal and physical harassment, punishable with up to 3 years. 5. Child pornography sections 13-15, includes penalties for production, possession, and dissemination of such materials. The 2019 amendments made these provisions even stricter, demonstrating zero tolerance for heinous crimes against children. Child-friendly procedures. To protect children during legal processes, the Act mandates sensitive recording of statements sections 24-27, preventing direct interaction with the accused. Special Court section 33, handling cases with sensitivity to ensure minimal trauma. Victim protection, shielding victims from hostile questioning and secondary victimization. This reflects our societal duty to shield children from further harm, echoing Kailash Satyarthi's words, "Every single minute matters, every single child matters, every single childhood matters." Now, let's explore some significant case laws that have shaped the interpretation and implementation of the POCSO Act. These judgments highlight the judiciary's commitment to safeguarding children and ensuring justice. 1. State of Maharashtra v. Banu 2018. This case emphasized that under Section 7 of the Act, intent alone is sufficient to establish guilt, even without penetration. It reinforced the idea that protecting a child's dignity and safety is paramount. 2. Nipun Saxena v. Union of India 2019. The Supreme Court directed all states to establish special courts and create child-friendly infrastructure. This ensures that children are not subjected to secondary trauma during the judicial process. 3. Exploitation of children in orphanages 2019. In this case, the court recognized the alarming rate of sexual offenses in institutional care settings, urging stringent measures to protect children in such vulnerable environments. 4. Ankush Kumar v. State of Punjab 2022. This judgment highlighted the importance of victim compensation, acknowledging that financial aid is crucial for addressing psychological trauma and aiding rehabilitation. 5. Rajendra v. State of Maharashtra 2023. Here the court stressed the need for proper evidence collection and timely medical examinations. Such measures are essential for building strong cases and ensuring swift justice. These landmark rulings reflect the proactive role of the judiciary in interpreting and strengthening the POCSO Act. They serve as guiding principles to ensure that justice is not just done, but is also seen to be done in the best interest of the child. Challenges in implementation. Despite its robust framework, the POCSO Act faces challenges. 1. Low reporting rates, fear and stigma deter families from seeking justice. 2. Inadequate infrastructure, a shortage of special courts leads to delays. 3. Digital exploitation, growing incidents of online grooming and child pornography demand stricter measures. Suggestions for effective implementation. To overcome these challenges, we must focus on 1. Awareness campaigns, educating communities about child rights and the POCSO Act. 2. Capacity building, training stakeholders like police, judiciary, and counselors. 3. Digital safeguards, strengthening laws against cybercrimes targeting children. 4. Monitoring mechanisms, ensuring regular audits to assess the Act's implementation. As UNICEF emphasizes, protecting children is everyone's business. In conclusion, the POCSO Act is a vital step towards safeguarding our children from sexual offenses. Its child-friendly processes, mandatory reporting and stringent penalties ensure justice and dignity for victims. As we move forward, let us remember children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. John F. Kennedy. Together, let's build a society where every child can live without fear and with dignity. Thank you.